Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study about word problems involving system of two linear equation and two variables. We have the problem now. The sum of two numbers is 32 and the difference is 6. Find the numbers. In solving problem, we have 3 steps to be followed in this kind of problem. One is the representation. Well, in representation, we're going to assume that let x be the first number and y be the second number. Okay, number 2 is equation. So the equation 1, x plus y equals 32 based on the statement of the problem. And the equation 2, x minus y equals 6. To solve the equation, we will use the elimination method or addition method. X plus y equals 32, x minus y equals to 6. Then we're going to eliminate the y and y, so the remaining is double x and x. So x plus x equals 2x and 32 plus 6 equals 38. Then since we're going to solve for x, we're going to divide by 2 both sides. So the value of x now is 19. Then next is solve for y using the equation 1, x plus y equals 32. Then we are going to substitute the x is equals to 19 plus y equals 32. Then we're going to transpose it. And y equals 32 minus 19 and the value of y equals 13. So our answer for the numbers is 19 and 13.